Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this error which says 5200. So it's on a Canon. So whenever you try to make some copy, you find like it gives you that. You get me? So, but sometimes the reason is there's no ink into the what? There could be some reasons, but you can see there's no ink into the tubes. You can see this tube. There should be ink coming from the tanks to the cartridges. So but now there's nothing like that, so you can see they are dry. You can see. So look what we're gonna do. But there could be some other causes for this, but this is what I normally work on this issue. Okay, it's gonna be ready. When it's ready, then I'm gonna just try to make a copy. I say make a copy. What it's gonna do, it scans. Then it goes to this. So what do you do? Switch off the machine. Okay. When it's off, switch the machine back on. Wait for the machine to be ready. Okay, when it's here, just click this button. Okay, then you scroll to the right until when you see maintenance, then you say okay. When you see maintenance, then you say okay. Press until when you see ink flash. You can see ink flash. When you see that, you say okay. Then it say all colors, you say okay. Then say press okay, say yes. Then scroll this to this side and say yes. Then you say flash requires whatever, say yes. Okay, so it's gonna say it's gonna do about 6 minutes. Let's wait and see if that's gonna work for us. Okay, that's what it did. Okay, let's say let's go back and see what's gonna happen. Let's look into this. It did flash some ink. You can see it came here up until here. You get me? So please cover. You can feel like it's still moving, still flashing the ink. It does that and stop. Let me see. Let's do nozzle check. Let's try to see the nozzle check. You see, I didn't finish it nicely. That's why I can see it shows you that. Let's do ink flash again. It won't give me a chance. I'm gonna switch it off. Yeah, so now what I did, I repeated the maintenance on ink flash here. This I did it again. So after doing it again, then I went to deep cleaning rollers and all that. After that, the machine was fine. So you can see it doesn't have any of that. But then let me do one thing is to make a copy. Let's see, it should copy now. You can see now the machine copies so fine with no stress. So do the ink flash, do the cleaning of the head, do the alignment, all that, so your machine is gonna be fine. You can see all colors 100%. It's fine. So there's nothing else you're going to do. You can see after that your machine is fine. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.